viewers all over the world, you are welcome to Bellemata outdoor kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to be showing how to make pancake. The ingredients that is required for the pancakes are flour, already sieved flour. We have milk, powdered milk. You can still do the liquid milk, but I prefer using powdered milk. We have sugar, we have egg, and then we have vegetable oil. These are the ingredients required for your pancake. And then you have water that you use to mix, add a little in it. First, I've already sieved this flour. Put your flour, you add your flour, and then you put milk. Add the milk with sugar,
powdered milk with sugar,
your egg,
mix your egg,
and then add water to the sugar and
powdered milk.
You add water to the sugar and powdered milk and stir it until it dissolves. You turn it until the sugar, the grinded sugar that is in it, you will not be hearing the sound again. It will dissolve too. After that, you pour it in your already sieved flour. Then you add your egg. You stir. When you have mixed your sugar, your milk and your egg together, you stir it until they are dissolved, both the flour and the sugar and the milk. When you have stirred everything, this is how it will look, like a paste. Now it's ready for you to fry. You add your vegetable oil in your frying pan a little, so that your pancake will not come out oily or too wet, depending on the size of the pancake you want to make. On fire, you notice that the first side have turned to brown. It's done. But for people that have smaller frying pan, their frying pan for pancake is better than a bigger one. You use a smaller pancake frying pan to do your pancake. If you don't have a smaller one, you can use any frying pan that you have. When you fry like 5 minutes, depending on how you want it. If you want it brown or normal color, is done. Then you add your vegetable oil again, a little.
Why you want so much inside? You don't necessarily have to fry your pancake to be as brown as this. Depend on how you want it. Just like frying a plantain. Fry it to how you want it. If you want it brown, leave it for more time on the fire. If you don't want it so brown, leave it for lesser time on fire. The good thing about your pancake is like you can use it as breakfast in the morning or as your dinner at night. You can take it with tea, you can take it with soft drink, you can take it with juice, you can take it with ice cream, you can take it with a glass of tea, you can take it with whichever way you want to have it. It can also be taken as lunch, depending on your kind of person. The amount of sugar you add depends on how much sugary things you like. If you don't like much sugar, you add less sugar so that it will not be too sweet. Make sure you don't add so much oil in your frying pan. Just add just a little few drops so that your pancake doesn't end up becoming too oily or soaked in oil. As you can see, these are already fried pancakes. We have 3 pancakes in this plate. You can add your own recipe and add your own way if you feel that will make it taste better. Just to create a variety. The choice is yours. What you've learned today is just the basics of making pancakes. You can improve on it if you so desire by adding and researching on more recipes you can add to give you a better tasting pancake. Until we come your way again, this is Bellemata Outdoor Kitchen. Viewers all over the world, I'm sure you enjoyed watching our program, Bellemata Kitchen. Now, you want us to do any kind of thing for you, cook for your events, your birthdays, your wedding, or any kind of ceremony, you can reach us on any of these numbers or emails showing on the screen. And until we meet again next time, have a great day.